Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold as you continue sitting tall with your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles, strengthening through your low back. Release. Continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold as you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, cross your arms out in front of your chest. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders. Working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.